Dear students, for every competitive exam, one of the most important section is reasoning. One can score well in competitive exam, if you score well in reasoning. In competitive exam, reasoning ability section comprises of two sections: logical reasoning and analytical reasoning. Logical reasoning is most important section for various government or non-government recruitment examinations. It is one of important fundamental skill of effective thinking. It involves using a given set of data or facts to deduce other facts by reasoning logically. Logical reasoning is testing students' problem-solving ability by higher use of logic. Analogy comes under logical reasoning. What is analogy? It means parallelism. It is used for a comparison between one thing and another, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. An analogy between the workings of nature and those of human societies. Country and capital. 1. Australia Canberra. 2. Austria Vienna. 3. Bangladesh Dhaka. 4. Bhutan Thimphu. 5. Iraq Baghdad. 6. Denmark Copenhagen. 7. Indonesia Jakarta. 8. Portugal Lisbon. 9. Sri Lanka Colombo. Then comes 10. USA Washington. 11. Canada Ottawa. 12. Spain Madrid. 13. Greece Athens. 14. China Beijing. 15. Iran Tehran. 16. Nepal Kathmandu. 17. Kenya Nairobi. 18. Pakistan Islamabad. Country versus currency. 1. Pakistan Rupee. 2. China Yuan. 3. Iran Rial. 4. Iraq Dinar. 5. Kuwait Kuwaiti Dinar. 6. Thailand Baht. 7. Bangladesh Taka. 8. Japan Yen. 9. UK Pound. 10. UAE Dirham. 11. USA Dollar. Hen comes. 12. Korea. Won. 13. Turkey. Lira. 14. Russia. Ruble. 15. Sweden. Corona. 16. Indonesia. Rupee. 17. India. Rupee. 18. Spain. Euro. 19. Netherlands, Germany, Greece have currency euro. Individual and groups. 1. Cattle. Herd. As herd of cattle. 2. Bee. Swarm. As swarm of bees. 3. Grapes. Bunch. As bunch of grapes. 4. Soldiers. Army. 5. Players. Team. 6. Sheep. Flock. 7. Singers. Chorus. 8. Fish. Shoal. 9. Musician. Band. 10. Rioters. Mob. Then comes 11. Goods. Stock. 12. Flowers. Bouquet. 13. Man. Crowd. 14. Robbers. Gang. 15. Pupils. Class. 16. Chicken. Brood. 17. Drawers. Chest. Individual versus dwellings. 1. Dog. Kennel. 2. Horse. Stable. 3. Bee. Hive. 4. Lion. Den. 5. Eskimo. Igloo. 6. Bird. Nest. 7. Hare. Burrow. 8. Spider. Web. 9. Peasant. Cottage. 10. Cow. Buyer or pen. 11. Gypsy. Caravan. 12. Night. Mansion. 13. Pig. Sty. 14. Eagle. Airy. 15. Nun. Convent. 16. Owl. Barn. 17. King. Palace. 18. Soldier. Barrack. Nimals and young ones. 1. Cow. Calf. 2. Bear. Cub. 3. Horse. Filly. 4. Duck. Ducklings. 5. Dog. Puppy. 6. Butterfly. Caterpillar. 7. Lion. Cub. 8. Sheep. Lamb. 9. Deer. Fawn. 10. Frog. Tadpole. 11. Cat. Kitten. Nimals and sounds. 1. Donkey. Bray. 2. Horse. Neigh. 3. Mice. Squeak. 4. Camel. Grunt. 5. Cock. Crow. 6. Crow. Caw. 8. Bells. Chime. 9. Thunder. Roar. 10. Frog. Croak. 11. Snake. Hiss. 12. Cat. Mew. 13. Elephant. Trumpet. 14. Owl. Hoot. 15. Duck. Quack. 16. Goat. Bleat. 17. Jackal. Howl. 18. Cattle. Low. 19. Monkey. Gibber. Males versus females. 1. Dog. Bitch. 2. Drone. Bee. 3. Horse. Mare. 4. Fox. Vixen. 5. Nephew. Niece. 6. Brother. Sister. 7. Lion. Lioness. 8. Master. Mistress. 9. Stag. Doe. 10. Drake. Duck. Thank you for watching this video. This is my first video on the topic of logical reasoning. I will come soon with another video. I am working on that, which is going to be important for the candidates appearing in tests of different institutions, like Pakistan Air Force, Navy, Army and MDCAT students. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.